Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers, cheap, Cairo, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring 3 men in a truck in Cairo is the ideal for ensuring a long-distance move. As an interstate moving business, we have the necessary permissions and licenses from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Authority. Our drivers follow all state and federal requirements for long-distance relocations for the latter. It is our policy to employ drivers who know how to treat customers like kings. We designed the long-distance relocation to meet the needs, finances, and timelines of our customers. We want to ensure our Cairo, Georgia clients get the most bang for their buck when they work with us. Local moves are less stressful, but we don't advocate doing it on your own. Moving into Cairo will need the assistance of movers with knowledge of the area. Fortunately, our movers live in the area and are familiar with the routes to various neighborhoods within the town. Interestingly, we don't jack up the price of local moving services. We charge $30 to $40 an hour for our local moving services. In addition, there are no hidden charges involved. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cairo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.